Your agent explained the gig?
I pee on the bed. I do this well.
Yes, your resume is very impressive. But there was a problem with your urine sample. Had you perhaps been eating asparagus?
I have been, yes. This is bad?
Possibly. Hello? You are...
I'm Oksana! To show you how excited I am for this opportunity, I peed on waiting area sofa.
Oh boy. Feed profile. Other feed profile.
Just a question, is this the mattress we'll be using?
I don't know. Does it matter?
Yes, it is very soft, bed for back.
I think you'll only be peeing on it, not sleeping on it.
Peeing on mattress? Not on Trump? Who likes that?
I know, it's weird.
Well, job is a job.
Marina?
Yes, pleased to be here.
You have no urinating credits. This is an important job and I'm reluctant to hire a beginner.
My good friend Vladimir calls me the Golden Hurricane.
I am Ludmila. I have urinated on over 3,000 different items for state security.
You are legendary. The other girls will be envious.
Other girls.
Yeah, we were thinking maybe we'll have 3, 4 girls urinating on the bed for Mr. Trump.
Oh, I assume this solo job. I don't know if
What's the matter?
I have shy bladder.
Okie dokie. Sir, I'm just auditioning women.
This isn't the Angela Merkel operation?
I'm Oksana! I'm Oksana!
Fly away, my space rocket.
Kartina Zavu?
I am Yekaterina.
Please stand on the mattress.
Will this be standing urination?
That is the scenario, yes.
Sometimes I have balance problems due to an inner ear disorder. Will there be a grab bar next to the bed?
Very unlikely. Hello.
Hello. I am Nina. I have studied with top urinators in the country.
My technique is a classic approach combined with select modern elements which allow me to enjoy this transcendent effect.
Look,
which...
can you pee on a bed, yes or no?
Yes.
I'm Oksana!
Next!
I'm Oksana! I'm Oksana!
Thank you. Okay, very good.
Good. I got it?
Может быть. Maybe. Be careful.